And welcome to our channel. Today I will show you how you can send large videos on your Android device. So in the first step we have to choose the video file that you want to send. Now go to the albums and look for the videos. Now choose your video file and share it. Now choose the drive and click save. Now just go to the My Drive, look for this video, click three-dot icon and click copy link. Now just send the link. And that's it. Thanks for the watching, leave us a subscribe or a comment, and goodbye.